Okay, we are going to learn how to do a simple border in Photoshop. So I'm selecting a canvas, 700 by 500, just as a standard size. You can use whatever is preferable to you. Background contents, you have the option of white, black, whatever the current background color is, transparent or custom. I like transparent personally. Click on Create. Your canvas pops up. To grab the image, we go to File, Browse in Bridge. And this should allow you to see all of your folders and then select your image from your folders. And I am just going to drag over that image and open it up. And Photoshop is kind enough to set it so that it is automatically scaled for the image. I'm making it a little bit smaller and I'm going to lock it into place by clicking the Enter key, but I want you to really be able to see the edges. Now, next, to create the border, click on Layer, Layer Style, Stroke, and this brought up a nice kind of a blue-gray color. And it doesn't stand out very much. You can leave it like that. I'm going to go over here to Bevel Emboss. And you can see how that gives it just that little bit more definition. And this is the preview, obviously. Click on OK. And you have that. Now to be able to make this stand out a little bit more, I'm going to create a new layer, drag it underneath. And I am going to click Edit, Fill. It's going to use the foreground color, which is here. I'd already matched it earlier, so I know that it's a pretty good match to it. And again, just to give you an idea of how that would stand out. And using a different color underneath will give you a different impact, or using an actual texture or background. So again, play with it, have fun, but that is the basic of creating a very simple border in Photoshop.